Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to farm the diving valve in Heartopia No Bubble Lost event. So guys, there is a new event in Heartopia. It's called the No Bubbles Lost event. And from this event, you need to farm this currency diving valve. And if you want to farm it, just do the ocean cleanup hobby, guys. Go to the Valve Canyon and simply clean the ocean and you'll get the diving valve. And you can use this diving valve to purchase the item from here, from the exchange store. You can purchase recipe and item and clothes and so on. If you want to farm it, go to the Waterfall Canyon and then start doing the ocean cleanup activity. Okay, and the activity will help you farming the diving valve. Okay, but you need to keep doing it because it's random. Okay, I just got the diving valve, but it's not recorded. It wasn't recorded. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, it didn't. Oh, okay, I got to diving valve. So just keep cleaning up the ocean, guys, and it will give you the diving valve. Okay guys, and that's how you can farm the diving valve in Heartopia No Bubble Lost event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.